Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinons YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn everything about virtual environments in Python. So let's get started. You may have heard about this common word that is virtual environment or virtenv in Python. Basically, using the Python virtual environment, the interpreter, libraries, and scripts that are installed are isolated from the installed virtual libraries of the system present in Python. That is, it creates a different environment that will not interfere with the environment of the external Python present on your PC. So let's try to understand a simple example. Now in my desktop folder, in my desktop directory, I've created a folder called as env, and now let me simply type pip list. Okay, so this is the pip list of all the libraries that are present in the exterior environment, that is the main environment of my PC, that is the C colon. So for using virtual environment, first we need to install virtual env, that is a package. So all you need to do is pip install virtual env. So obviously I got it installed, so I'm not going to press enter. So let me just clear out all whatever I've typed. Now let's start creating a virtual environment. So first thing, I'm going to use the virtual environment keyword, that is the virtual env, and now let me create an environment name. So let me just name it as project. So the name of my environment now is project. So let's just give it a time while it does its working. And wonderful. So now we have created a virtual environment. As you can see, it says created virtual environment C Python 3.7, that is the Python version 3.7, which is currently present on my system. But now we have created a virtual environment, but we haven't enabled it because as a default parameter it is disabled. And now to activate it, you simply need to call the project name. So in this case it's project slash scripts slash activate, and it's that simple. And basically when it's enabled, you can see this arrow symbol that says project. Now let's say if I say pip list, and as you can see right now there are only 3 items present in the pip list, unlike items present like Django, etc., unlike the external environment of Python. So basically the virtual environment creates a separation between the external environment of Python. Between this environment, you can install your preferred libraries, your preferred library version. For example, you're working on a specific version of Django, that it can be installed in this virtual environment. And even if you update your Python Django environment externally, it's not going to make changes inside this env folder. So that's the use of virtual environment in Python. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinons YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.